It's 11:47 p.m. I can't do this. I'm so tired.
Hey. Still awake?
Alice,
You look tired, but you are not a quitter. Let's practice together, just 10 minutes.
okay.
When you feel tired, don't give up.
I'm just not sure if I can do this.
Don't worry, Alex. We'll do it together.
Right. Together.
Hey everyone, welcome back.
Wow, Alex, you sound like a broken robot.
I am tired.
You are always tired.
That's not true.
Okay, when were you not tired?
Maybe 2012?
That's a long time.
Learning English is hard.
Yes, but giving up is harder.
I like that.
Today's topic is, when you feel tired, don't give up.
If you feel tired, don't worry.
You are not alone,
We all feel tired sometimes.
but we keep going.
And we help you learn English in a fun way.
So, if you like this,
Like
subscribe.
and practice with us every day. I am so tired today.
What happened?
Everything happened.
Wow, that sounds serious.
I woke up late.
Okay.
I missed my bus.
Oh no!
Then I ran fast.
Good exercise.
No, bad decision.
Why?
Because I ran and still missed the bus.
Oh wow, double pain.
Yes, and people were watching me.
Like a movie?
Yes, but a sad movie. Then at work, I made mistakes. My boss said, "Focus, Alex."
That's okay.
But I felt bad.
I understand.
Now I am home.
Yes?
I see my English book.
And?
I feel tired again.
Okay, listen to me. You are tired, yes?
Yes,
But your dream is not tired.
my dream is not tired.
Yes, your dream is strong.
My body is weak, but my dream is strong.
Exactly.
That sounds like a superhero.
Yes, Super Alex.
No, tired man.
Tired man saves the world slowly.
Very slowly.
Okay, let's do something easy.
Not difficult, please.
Very easy.
Okay.
Say this. I feel tired, but I will try.
I feel tired, but I will try.
Again.
I feel tired, but I will try.
Good. One more time.
I feel tired, but I will try.
Nice.
I like that.
Now, open your book.
Just looking at it makes me tired.
Don't think. Just open it.
Okay, opening.
Good job.
That was easy.
Yes. Small step.
Only one step?
Yes. Small steps.
Okay, what next?
Read one sentence.
One sentence?
Yes.
Only one?
Yes.
That's too easy.
Exactly.
I am learning English.
Good.
Wow, I am learning English.
See?
Wait, I feel better.
Of course.
Okay, one more sentence.
Yes. Let's go.
I will not give up.
Nice.
I will not give up.
Louder.
I will not give up.
Yes.
I feel strong now.
You see, Alex,
Hmm,
you don't need 1 hour.
really?
You just need one small start.
One small start.
Yes.
I like that.
Also, stop watching funny videos for 3 hours.
Hey, that is important research.
Research?
Yes, I'm learning funny English.
Oh, really? What did you learn?
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Oh, no.
To go home and sleep, like me.
That is you.
Yes, 100% me.
Okay, everyone.
Yes, you.
If you feel tired,
Don't stop.
just do a little.
Just one sentence.
Just 1 minute.
Just one try.
Say with us.
I feel tired, but I will try.
Again.
I feel tired, but I will try.
One more time.
I feel tired, but I will try.
Good.
Thank you, Alice.
Always.
I feel better now.
Because you started.
Yes, starting is the hardest part.
But you did it.
I feel tired.
Don't give up.
I want to stop.
Try again.
I will try.
Good job.
Slowly, slowly.
Every day.
I feel tired today.
It's okay.
I want to stop.
Don't give up.
I will try.
Good job.
Slowly, slowly.
Every day. If you feel tired, it's okay.
But don't stop.
Just do a little.
Every day.
You don't need to be perfect.
You just need to try.
And try again.
And again.
Don't give up.
Your English is getting better.
Step by step.
Day by day.
We believe in you.
See you next time.
Keep practicing.